Hello guys, and welcome to yet another episode of NoorTech Tips. Today we are talking about how we can actually hide some of the files on our Android. So for doing that, there are simple steps. So before going to the video, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel because we always come with videos just like this one. So let's get started. First off, what you have to have is a file explorer, and it may be in your device. You have to download some file explorer. I will link a file explorer in the description, which is ES File Explorer, and you can download the file explorer, which is very powerful. So after you have your file explorer open, what you have to do is navigate to the specific folder in which your file lies, right? After that, select the file and tap and hold until the options are shown. And from there, what you have to select is you have to rename the file. Rename the file as, just put a full stop right at the very beginning of the file name, and it will hide the file forever on your Android device until you rename it, and just remove the full stop and it will be shown again, right? So you can actually apply that step if you want to hide some file on your Android. So the second option is, if you want to hide the entire folder, what you have to do is create a simple file in that folder with the name of .no media. No media means it will not show any media, so that it will not show any of the files in that specific folder to any of the apps on your Android device. In that way, you can actually hide into an entire folder on your device, and the apps, the gallery apps and the other WhatsApp, Facebook apps will not be able to see the media in that specific folder. In that way, you can actually hide some of the very private photos and some of the videos which you want to hide from your friends. So that comes to these two simple steps. So if you like the video, hit the like button, and also get subscribed by hitting the subscribe button and also hitting the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos from us.